Hi, Corey Eubanks with Premier Property Group. I am a managing broker in the state of Washington and a principal broker in the state of Oregon. And today we're going to explore the question of should you have an open house when you're selling your house? And it's not always a simple question with a simple answer. So let's take a look at some of the different factors. Um, so one of the dirty secrets about open houses is they often benefit the listing agent more than they benefit you. And that's because most serious buyers prefer to come to a house with their agent so they can see it by themselves and spend some quality time taking a look at the house. A lot of serious buyers don't like to go to open houses. Um, so when I have an open house, a lot of the people that come through are neighbors. They are people who are tipping their toes into the market. And sometimes they need an agent. Sometimes it's people who are thinking about selling their houses and checking out listing agents to see how they operate. Uh, and occasionally you get some real buyers coming through. Um, but most listings don't sell from an open house. Of course, there are always exceptions. If I'm listing a house that is priced really well or is in a really hot location, sometimes having an open house is just the most effective and efficient way to get a lot of people through the house who want to see it. And that is a great marketing tool. Also, whether people actually come to the open house or not, simply listing, announcing, promoting an open house gets it in front of buyers. So an interested buyer might see the open house, think, I want to see that house, but I don't want to go to the open house. And they call their agent and they schedule an appointment. So simply having an open house is great marketing. So there's also other things to consider, like how is it going to disrupt your life? Maybe an open house isn't the right match for you. Maybe you have kids who need to nap during the day, or maybe you work at home. Maybe there are security issues. Maybe you have a lot of important, valuable things at home, or maybe you work at home. So there might be some personal reasons for you not to want to have an open house. Um, so is there an easy yes or no answer? Should you have an open house? No, it's different case by case. Um, so that's part of our consultation when I'm meeting with a client about selling their house is, are we going to do the open house or not? So if you have any questions about that, let me know. I'm always happy to talk about this stuff. You can always reach me at CoreyEubanks.com. That's CoreyEubanks.com. It's right there in the captions. Uh, and drop me a line if you have any questions. We're going to be having a first time home seller seminar on Saturday, September 14th. So if you're interested, let me know. All right, talk to you soon. Bye bye.